Greetings and salutations, lovely angel here. I thought I'd do a little bit of a product review of some of the clothes I've worn. And we should turn this down. Sorry. The glare is awful, isn't it? Now, I would like to review some products that I've actually worn. This wig, for starters, is gorgeous. It is a little bit, sorry, I gotta make it look presentable a little bit. And that's perfectly fine. If you're a perfectionist like me, that's perfectly fine. Alright, we're gonna start with these wonderful boots. I got these from Demonia. They're Demonia boots. They're pretty comfy if you actually know how to walk in platform and high heels, which I think most of you do. It's a little hard to sit crisscross applesauce because I seem to like doing that because of the spikes. You can attach chains or something. I got these in size women 7 because that's what I am. They're pretty good. You just have to learn not to trip on them with your skirt or dress. There's also this spike bra. There we go. Yeah, and this corset I got on Amazon along with this. It's not a bad product, but it is easy to lose some of these fine things, as you can see here. One of the spikes, the poor spikes, came off, but it's a very fashionable thing. See, you just have to be careful with the product a little. This corset is actually from Amazon as well, and I absolutely adore it. I wear this with an under bra as well, which you guys have probably seen. This glove is also from Amazon. It is comfy. I lost the other one, but I decided to make it my own fashion sense. In the way of pricing, this was all very reasonable price. The boots, I believe, were $150 on Amazon. The bra was $25, I think, or actually it was $11. The corset was $40. So if you're on a budget, that's not a bad thing to budget yourself on. I mean, I know I said this before, but Amazon is not a bad place to actually. Oh my goodness. Why didn't anybody tell me? I've been hanging around my sisters too much. Why didn't anybody tell me? It's okay. It's okay though. Nothing a little makeup remover can't fix or my hand. That's fine. It's just my basic makeup stuff. So I'm gonna turn my attention to NYX. Oh, I didn't actually do this all the way. NYX is a great brand. This was actually from a store called Daiso. It's actually $1.95. It is not a bad product as well. It actually works pretty well for liquid. Now NYX is expensive at ULTA, but it is well worth it. It works well for my skin, and that's why I keep using it. But oh, and by the way, this song is from Lacrimosa. It is called Ich bin der Brinde Comet. It is German, so I do not speak German. I probably have said that wrong. But another thing I would like to review is this beautiful blue wig, which I've yet to wear with something. I am getting lighter colors because, as you can see, this blue kind of goes with it, but it's too dark. It's too dark. I could probably wear it with this, but I've not found a use for it yet, which I probably will. It was $9.99 on Amazon. It is a beautiful wig. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful color blue. And as for my daily outfit, it's just a regular tank top, my fishnets. This is from ice cream. You know, like the eyeball and then the word scream. Yeah, it's handmade. This was $24. I'll put a link below. I got this when I was at Death Guild on my club in San Francisco. It's so beautiful, isn't it? This is what it looks like on the back, so it goes both ways. This choker, I don't think I've ever mentioned it, is from Rip It Head as well. It was $45, I believe. But yes, as for these pants, oh, you can hardly see it. I cut these pants so they're half shorts. And they are half cut. So basically they're half jeans, but they're cut. Yeah. And the boots are just regular brown boots because it's one of my lazy days right now. And that's my daily outfit. If you have suggestions on beauty products, colors that I should try, I am planning to do some light colors like pink, light purples with this hair, and maybe some light blues with the wig to make it like an ocean-like color. So if you have any other suggestions, please feel free to write them down below on product reviews, anything that I can review or get or talk about. Tutorials would be great. Once again, it was lovely of you to join me. And stay fabulous, stay lovely, stay beautiful.